What is going on, everybody? Poshman is back. I'm on the hunt for the Nike 1 Jordan football cleats from Ross, and we're also on the hunt from the Nike Supreme puffer jacket from Burlington. I love you all out there. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and wish me some luck. So don't you just love the sound of those wheels right there, you know, the shaky carts? But good sign right here, people. The shelves are completely packed, and it has been a while since I've seen the shelves like this. Now, that does not mean we're going to find something, but, you know, we're going to do our due diligence to find the best possible shoes that we can. We got these Nike Air Force One straight off the bat, $70, chocolate brown colorway. Not a bad looking shoe, but I didn't even look those up. I don't think the resale is going to be there. Found these odd looking Vans. So anytime I find something odd and I see some, you know, some unique marks or distressing, looks like it could be a collab, I throw these things in the buggy and I look them up later. We always grab and go. We don't spend all our time standing in one spot looking up a shoe. We got some Metcons right here, a little bit too pricey for me. I'll always throw the prices up there for you to see or zoom in on it. You got some Hokas right here. I'm speaking fast. I have to do these voiceovers because the music is so loud in these stores. These are kind of some crazy Air Force Ones. I guess these things light up. Remind me of like some Halloween vibe right there, but I'll throw the price of those up. And we got some Adidas right here, some kind of Boost. And I'll throw the price up like I said. And, you know, I hope everybody out there is doing well. I know reselling has changed a little bit in the last couple years. And we got these Infinities right here. The good thing are these are the Safari colorway. I did look these up. I'll throw some comps up. Anytime I don't know about something, I do look it up. Like I say, you never know till you go. You never know till you look something up what it's worth. Got some Vans MTEs right here. Gore-Tex, $30. This should be the prime season for some shoes like these. So when in doubt, you know, we throw it in the buggy. Right here, we got some long jumps right here at $20. And it depends on the size and the colorway of those, but I will look them up and show you what they will bring. We got some ACGs right here, and these things were just too ugly. I didn't even worry with them. We got some Campuses right here, lime green colorway. Got the fat laces, just a chunky shoe in general, but I wanted to put them in the video for you anyway. And we got some Metcons right here, a little bit on the pricey side. I don't think that's the best colorway, but you know, it is what it is. And talking about colorways, what are we thinking here, Adidas? I couldn't pull this off. I ain't got that much confidence, to be honest with you. So we just scanning everything. We got some Pegasus. Ross is not playing around with the prices. As you can see, they are going absolutely crazy right here. I think these are pennies right here, and I think these were $80 or $85. And I will put the name of these. It's some kind of vapors. I can't even remember. And I think these were 70 or 75, but they were a big size. They were like a size 14. Yeah, 14 right there. So pretty big. And these actually right here, the MTE 2s Gore-Tex probably bring $75 and up. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick those up. It's a great time of the year, and these are the Vans that I wanted to talk about right here. And I'm gonna throw on the right side of the screen what these are, and we're gonna talk about them just a little bit because they are a pretty crazy find. Some of the comps on those were actually $200 and up, and they were created by a skater. I'll put his name up here and we'll discuss all that in just a little bit. So I'm going through some of the clothes. I'm not a big clothing person, even though I'm trying to start a clothing brand, which I know is kind of weird, but I still like to go through here and show you what, you know, Ross has in the clothing section. Actually, I found some pretty nice pieces. One of them is this Adidas, a zip up. I love, you know, the Adidas track stuff. I got a navy blue one, and it was only $25. And this Champion right here, a lot of people sleep on Champion. Champion has some fire hoodies, and this one was only $25. Like the graphic and everything, kind of looks like a screen print. $25, you can't go wrong with this. Like a medium weight. I would definitely wear this. I know it's a little bit of bright color, And this Adidas, I actually love. I love the stuff, no drawstrings. And with that being said, I'm going to be dropping some clothes soon. I'm going to flash some up on the screen, and some of you may want to go ahead and purchase some from me. We working on it, people. It is a work in progress. It is a journey. We got some little Spider-Man cleats for the young men out there. Kind of odd looking shoe, and these Crocs here for the ladies. We gotta put some shoes in here for the ladies as well. Those things weighed about 3 pounds. I don't know how much they are. Somebody ripped off the price tag. And you know, Christmas season's coming up. They're stocking everything. We got the 270s, and they're like $72, pretty high. Got the Dunks. You know, Dunks used to be going crazy. Jordans used to be going crazy. Everything was going crazy at one time, but you know, things have changed, and we always have to adjust. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you watch the remainder of it, where I'm going to be discussing these Vans, the collab, the comps, why they're worth so much, and why you never know till you go. Alright, so quick rundown on these. I don't gatekeep. These were designed by a skater called Alex Olson. The name of the brand is Bianca Chadron. So these are a collab, of course. I would say with the comps, I would probably get 150 to 250. Just depends on the size, the colorway, all that good stuff. Will these be a flood at Ross? I don't think so. Is this a fluke? Will they show up at your stores? I don't know. If you find some, tag me over on Instagram at eBay Poshman. Take care, everybody. Stay blessed, and I will catch you on the next video.